Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm out here at a Cars Across Texas meet. Cars are still pulling up. I'm gonna show you guys everything that's out here. Of course, you guys know I'm gonna show you the cool cars only. Without further ado, let's get this video started, man. Let's go. What's up? Whoa, what's going on over here, man?
Dude, it's
carbon?
Carbon fiber, man. They ditched everything.
Not the whole thing.
Look at it. What do you mean the whole thing?
The whole thing?
The whole thing, bro. The gas cap, everything, man.
Wait, you can do that? No. Oh, no?
I'm saying, man, this shit is...
No way. Okay.
There's two of them.
Okay, this is crazy right here. Let me show them this. Yeah, look at this. S550 full carbon fiber, they say. Hey, you guys aren't joking, are you?
No, it's
A real carbon fiber.
it's not just carbon fiber.
What else? Oh yeah. You gonna rev it?
The gas, so every time you start it up, the whipple kicks the finish.
You supercharged? No way. Woo! All right, so. Damn. Full carbon fiber GT350.
This shit.
Yo, you know what? I didn't know you can do that.
You can't.
Now I'm interested. Well, if you did, right?
We can get some 360 cam pics. Ready?
360 cam?
Yeah, you and I. Get one more. Oh, yeah.
Let me see. Okay.
Right now it's at 7:30. I need to do some fuel line upgrades and do other things before we push it to 850.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Whipple GT350.
Gen 5 to get
Full
done.
body carbon fiber. Yo, this is freaking insane though. Y'all see that? Look at that wing. Yo, this is insane. I've never seen this. Actually it's an R. So GT350R with a Whipple. Damn. Hey, you got an Instagram? Anywhere they can find you?
Chris.Asma.
Chris the Asma? All right.
Told you, man. That's where people want to see it, man.
Yeah, this is crazy right here. This is crazy.
Don't follow this, man. This is a absolutely insane car. Insane car, man. And he doesn't flex it at all. I mean, if I had this car, I'd be making sure I beat the horn and make sure every mother saw me when I came up in this. This guy's just casually chilling out over here, and I had to beg him to show it to us.
Yeah, this is insane though. This is yeah.
Absolutely nuts.
I wonder how much it weighs.
Oh.
I wonder how much it weighs.
Did you feel the hood? The hood was almost nothing.
Yeah, damn. It's crazy out here. Yes, sir. They have a nice. Alright guys, we have a C8 right here. This color is freaking beautiful, man. Hey, comment if you know what color this is called right here. This thing is insane. Hey guys, I can't wait for the Z06 C8. McLaren right here. Which is this one? 720S? Yeah.
It's a grown type. Yeah, that's a grown type.
Yeah, look at this. So 720S.
I don't know.
That's an IG right there. Everybody's leaving right now. I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe somebody sends it as they're leaving. We'll see. Yeah, look at this ZR1 right here. This thing is freaking wide. I don't know if you guys can see that. This thing has some freaking wide flares right here. Yeah, look at that. Yo, this thing looks amazing. 4-star wheels. This is clean. This is real clean. And I know you guys hear the cams, man. This thing sounds pretty good. Alright y'all, that was it for today's video. All the cars are leaving pretty much. We're gonna call it a night. And right now I'm just gonna go hang out with my crew. Some of the stuff you guys don't get to see in the video, you know. But I'll be hanging out with my crew. We go out to eat, we just drive around. It's a lot of fun. But without further ado, that was it for today's video. I will see you guys next time. Peace.
Especially when she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.